transportation system can be defined as a combination of elements and their interactions which produce the demand for travel within a given area, and the supply of transportation services to satisfy this demand. Transport or transportation is the means for movement of humans, animals, goods, and others from one place to another for some purpose. Since the early stages of civilization, transportation has played an important role in the development of communities. There was a given time when people used animals for transportation like horses, camels, and donkeys to save time and energy. Ships, trains, buses, cars, airplanes, and other things used for mobility were revolutionary stages of transportation and its progress with the time. It is transportation that enables communication, trade, exchange, and other things between societies and localities, and therefore, it is extremely important for the development of it. Transportation contributes to the development of economic, social, political, and cultural fields of a civilization and leads to the betterment of their conditions. So, what is transportation system analysis? Transportation system analysis is a multidisciplinary field which draws on engineering, economics, operation research, political science, psychology, management, and other disciplines. What are the characteristics of transportation? Number 1. It is multimodal. Transportation have a variety of modes or methods to occur. Multimodal transportation tackles about movement within either land, water, or by sea. Number 2. Multi-sector. Transportation addresses the problems from various angles and viewpoints from different sectors of the nation, which is the government, the private industry, and the public. Number 3. Multi-problem. Transportation is having or involving more than one problem, ranging from simple problem around the community to a large-scale problem that a government cannot handle alone. Number 4. Multi-objective. Transportation finds the optimal solution values of more than one desired goal. Number 5. Multidisciplinary. Transportation combines and involves several academic disciplines or professional specialization. Study context. The transportation system can be studied in the different viewpoints, and these are planning range, passenger transport, freight transport, and international transport. Planning range. Every plan on transportation have the definite range to be able to operate within its capacity. Number 2. Passenger transport. Passenger transport refers to the total movement of passengers using different modes of transportation on a given network. Number 3. Freight transport. Freight is a bulk of transported goods. Every transportation of goods needs routing and management depending on the time of the life of the product. Number 4. International transport. International transportation is the movement of goods or people from one country to another. These four study contexts will mainly create a solution based on the rapidly changing world. These are the changes in demand, technology, operational policy, and values in public. Disciplines of transportation. Transportation engineering can be broadly consisting of the four major parts. Number 1. Transportation planning. This deals with the development of comprehensive set of action plan for the design, construction, and operation of transportation facilities. Number 2. Geometric design. This focuses on the physical proportioning of other transportation infrastructure as opposed to the facility's structural architecture. This includes intersections, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and cross-sectional characteristics. Number 3. Pavement design analysis. This is a bituminous and concrete pavements that also referred to a flexible pavements and stiff pavements. These are structural components of highways. It covers the process of building and maintenance as well as the design of the paving materials and determination of layers of thickness. Number 4. Traffic engineering. This is a branch of civil engineering that uses engineering techniques to achieve the safe and efficient movement of people and goods which focus on public safety. Traffic engineering encompasses a wide range of engineering applications. After the analyzation of transportation system, we will come to the idea of the planning things under the transportation. Safer, smarter, faster, and more convenient. That's the purpose of transportation planning. Looking at the current status of regional transportation, designing for future demands, and fusing all of that with the elements of finances, goals, and policies constitutes the process of transportation planning by assessing everything from streets and highways to cargo ships to public transportation and bike lanes. It influences how a town or city expands. It can affect all aspects of life, including business, leisure, and quality of time. Transport planning process includes problem definition, definition of goals, data collection, forecasting, development of alternatives, evaluation, and implementation of plan. Transportation planning accomplishes many different things. Number 1. It provides the information, tools, and the public engagement needed for improving transportation system performance. Number 2. It is a comprehensive, cooperative, and continuing process that requires monitoring of the system's performance and condition. And lastly, it influences many decisions, including policies, choices among alternative strategies, priorities, and funding allocations. Transportation planning goals. There are numerous important goals in the transportation planning process. The key is to balance them while designing a plan that meets the transportation planning goals. Number 1. Access to employment. Provide for transportation system connections to areas of employment density and key activity centers with an emphasis on connecting to areas of high poverty rates. Number 2. Freight mobility. Enhance freight corridors and intermodal connections to facilitate goods movement into, within, and out of the region. Number 3. Safety and security. Provide for transportation improvements that increase safety and security for system users. Number 4. System reliability. Implement technologies and programs to improve travel times and support the ease of travel throughout the region. Number 5. Congestion mitigation. Support transportation system improvements that addresses existing and expected future traffic congestion. Number 6. Environment and air quality. Provide the project alternatives that protect and enhance the region's natural resources. Number 7. Multimodal connectivity. Improve accessibility and interconnectivity of various transportation modes for all system users. Number 8. Preservation and maintenance. Ensure that existing transportation infrastructure and facilities achieve a constant state of good repair.